Hello guys, today we are here to learn about how to create a background color or a background image in HTML. So let's get started. So you open your notepad and you create, let me start a new one. So I'll just, before I start, I'll just save it. I'll save it the name as, let's say, notepad. So I'll add h.html and the file type is HTML. So I'll save notepad.html. Notepad.html, I'll save it. So after I've saved it, I'll just type in my commands. HTML. Let me close it. HTML. Alright. So first you will learn how to just change the background color first. So here we just go to the head, just close the head, and I'll go to, so here I'll go to the title. And let's say the title is changing background. Changing background. So I'll close the title here. Alright. So after I close the title, at this point, this is where you'll choose your color for the background. So that's the part of the body. So at this part, you just type body. We have two ways of doing it. The first style is to type the body in and you type the body BG color. The BG color equals to double quotation, let's say red, and I'll close it here, body, close it. Alright, so at this point you will save it or you run it. For me, I will just save it here and run it. So notepad, I'll run it. You see, there we go. I have my red background here. So you can also maybe change the color to, let's say, yellow. Change the color to yellow, and I also run it. I run it here. So there you go. So this is a very simple way of doing it. And the other way of doing it is to use the style option. So in the style option, you just type style here. That's the style option. So style, I'll close style here. I'll just close it here. So when you reach this point, you type body style. That's the body style, equal to space, quotation mark, double quotation, background. So the background column, and here you type your color. Let's say I'm going for green. So let's say green. Let me type in all lowercase green here. Okay, alright. So that's the body style. Go to background, that's green. So you run this, open it, and there we go. This is the green color. So here I've showed you two ways of doing it, of changing the body color. That's one is the typing in the BG color, and the other one is using the style option. So we also coming to learn how to change the background image, maybe to insert a background image. And to insert a background image, it's not that different from inserting a background color. So for the background image, you go to body, you type background, body background equal to, so the body background equal to, so I have a file here with the name Win, so I'll use Win. Let me open Win for you to see. This is the Win. I save it with Win because I want a very simple name that will like make it very easy for me to type. Like Win is just 3 letters and it will be very easy to type in my HTML. So Win, I have a file Win, and this in the same like folder with my HTML file. That's like Notepad. It's in the same folder. So if it's in the same folder, you don't have to just type in the location when you are doing it in HTML. You just have to type maybe Win. It's a JPEG file, so JPG, because it's in the same location as my Notepad file or my HTML file. You don't have to type in the location. So here I'll just save it here and I'll run it. So there we go. You see my Win image is now the background image. So, and these two, like if the file is not in the same folder as the HTML file, there's another way to do it that you don't do it the same way. So let's say I move this file, that's the Win file, I cut it and I paste it like here. Let's say I paste it here. So the Win file or the Win image is now not in the same folder as my HTML file. So I have to just copy go to properties and you copy the location. You copy the location of the picture. That's the Win file. So I'll copy it here and close it. So after I copied it, I'll go back to my HTML file here. So this is the win.jpg. I'll just paste it here. After I paste it, so this is the new file location. Because I don't know the location, or the file, the Win picture is not in the same location as the HTML file, I have to let's type in the location so that HTML can just get the right picture for the right job. So here I'll save it here. I'll save it and I'll run it. I'll run my notepad.html file. So there we go. You see, we also have the same image here. So this is basically how we change the color or maybe insert an image in HTML file. I hope you enjoy this lesson today, this tutorial today. So have a nice day, guys. Goodbye. So if you like this video, just hit the like button, or you can subscribe to my channel to get more videos about HTML and IT stuffs. Have a good day, guys. Bye.